Everybody wants to learn an online skill, but the thing is that not everybody knows exact online skills to learn in 2025 because 2026 is already coming. And the funny thing is that a lot of people, when they started this year, they say this year is going to be my year. So it is time to start preparing for next year because next year is just 3 months away or 3 months and few days away. So you have to start preparing now. It is very, very important. So if you can take the remaining 90 days to learn a skill, I can bet you that next year is going to be better than this year. That's why in today's video, I want to share 10 online skills that you can learn in 2025 in the remaining 90 days of 2025 so that in 2026 you're going to be profitable in the online space. See me for the first time, you'll come to my channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I share different side hustle ideas that you can try for yourself just with your smartphone. If you want to get more content from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel for more updates coming your way. Thank you very much, and do well to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. That will be very, very helpful. Just comment where you're watching from down below. And for all my community members, I really, really appreciate you for the love and support. And if you've not joined our community, what are you waiting for? Just click on the join button and join our community right here on YouTube. Thank you very much for doing that, guys. I really appreciate you. Let's dive right in. Don't let anybody deceive you. One of the best ways to make money online right now is through having an online skill. You must have something you're doing for you to fit into the online space. It's very, very important. Not everybody knows that Nigeria have over 200 different languages. You have to learn local language content creation. That's the first skill you need to learn before 2026. It's very, very important. Most people tend to run from it, but it is actually very important because it's not everybody that understands English. So the fun part is for you to create this content in your local languages and you can monetize that and make money for yourself. So use the remaining 90 days inside this particular year to learn and improve your content creation skill in your local language or in Nigerian Pidgin. Another skill you need to learn before 2026 is called data analysis. This is a very, very important skill. Learn how to analyze data using analytics, track different content or products that are actually working out. You know, people can pay you to help them analyze their page, analyze their content format, you know, help them grow their social media reach. It's a very, very important skill you have to learn before 2026. And if you learn this skill, this is something that is going to help you fetch money for you in 2026. Since the invention of the internet, selling online has been one of the best ways to make money online. Now, another skill you need to learn before 2026 is called e-commerce operations. Under e-commerce, there are different things you can do under e-commerce. For example, you can do sourcing, that is product sourcing. You can learn product shipping. You can learn inventory. You can also learn customer service. These are different skills that can also help you to work with different e-commerce industry or different e-com companies, or you can even use these skills to create your own e-com business and start making money for yourself in 2026. SEO content. The truth is that there are a lot of AI softwares that can do this. The thing is that most of these AI software that are really, really good, they are paid and most people can't afford this. These are services that you can offer in a lesser amount and make more money because you are more cheaper than that particular AI tool or that particular app or that particular website that is offering this particular service. So this is another skill you need to learn before 2026. Anybody that wants to make money online should actually know this skill. It is very compulsory for me. I think everybody or everyone should learn this particular skill. It's called social media advertising. You learn how to run ads on Facebook, how to run ads on Instagram, how to run ads on WhatsApp, how to run ads on YouTube, how to run ads with Google. I mean, how to run TikTok ads. There are a lot of companies that can hire you to run ads for their brand. Yourself, you can even start running ads and promote affiliate products and make good money for yourself. You can sell your own product through ads and make money for yourself. So this is a skill you need to learn before 2026. The next skill on my list is not that important, but it's also very, very necessary because people are still paying for it. It's called voiceover. It's very, very important. So you need to learn this particular skill because, like I said before, you will say, hey, there are a lot of AI. Why will I go and be learning voiceover? These AI are very, very expensive. Some of them offer you credits, and before 1 week, your credit is gone already. But if you're paying an individual, you pay less and have more products, have more audios for whatever you want want to do. It is very, very, very important. So this is another skill you can learn in 2025 before 2026 arrives. So let me know if you're going to try this. Don't let anybody fool you. Graphic designers will not be out of business anytime soon, because even the top YouTubers, the top content creators still have their personal graphic designers that design their templates, that design their thumbnails, their social media posts for them. Learn this particular skill. This is another skill that can help you make money online in 2026. So learn this skill before 2025 actually run out. Persuasive writing or copywriting. This is very, very important. You can use this skill to write different sales pages. You can use it to write emails, marketing emails. You can use it to write art. You can still learn how to use AI to improve on this particular skill. It is still very, very important. And one of the most profitable online skill that you need to learn before 2026 is called prompt engineering. I mean, this is one of the best skills you can learn. The most important thing about AI is the prompt. If you don't know what you want, the AI cannot give you exactly what you want. So learn prompt engineering. Learn how to write AI prompt, or learn how to write prompts for different AIs. You can use this skill to make money for yourself. You can package different prompts and sell them. And another skill you need to learn, which is one of the most important skills, is called video editing. I mean, you will still say there are a lot of AI that can edit video, but can you afford it? Can you afford those AI? That's the first question. Can you use it? Do you know the exact prompts to use? Can you afford them? You cannot afford it. So that means there might be other people too that cannot afford this particular AI. You don't know how to use them perfectly. So that means there might be other people that don't also know how to use them. So video editing is one of the most important skills that you can learn in 2025 entering 2026. So I'm going to drop a link to a video editing class in the comment section or in the description of this video. So check that out if you want to learn how to start editing videos using just your smartphone in 2025, so that you can have a video editing skill, a professional video editing skill entering 2026. I mean, I pay a lot of video editors to handle some of my faceless channels. I know how much I pay these particular people. So that shows that you too can also earn from video editing. So learn the skill is very important. I'm going to drop it for you down in the comment section or in the description of this particular video. Check it out and tell me what you think in the comment section. Which of these skills do you have? Which of them would you like to have? Which of them are you using currently, and how much are you earning from them? Just let me know in the comments. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.